Today, we're making lobster mac and cheese. This cheesy, creamy, and oh so delicious recipe is absolutely incredible. Each bite is full of flavor from the cheese to the lobster. Topped with the crunchy breadcrumbs, this recipe makes for a great meal prep, romantic dinner, or just a simple evening meal. One of the best parts of this recipe is that everything can be found at Trader Joe's or your local grocery store. Mac and cheese is a staple food, but today's version kicks it up a notch. There's something so delicious about lobster combined with cheese and pasta and a gooey and creamy oven bake. This recipe is easy to make and only requires about 1 hour to prep, but it makes about 16 servings. So, let's get cooking. We'll start by boiling a pot of water and adding 1 pound of elbow macaroni. Allow to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. Drain the water and set aside. In a pot, melt 1 stick of butter on low heat. Once fully melted, we'll add half a cup of flour, and mix until it forms a slurry. Keep on low heat. Then add 1 quart of milk. And allow to heat up until the sauce thickens. Using a whisk, stir everything together. Once the sauce thickens, we have our white sauce base. We'll then add 12 ounces of langoustine tails into the sauce. Stir. And then add 12 ounces of gruyere cheese. And 12 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. Stir this all together and put it on medium-low heat for about 60 seconds. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of fresh black pepper. Stir as well. Then in a large bowl, mix together our sauce and our macaroni. Give it all a good mix. We'll then take 4 slices of fresh white bread and break it down into crumbs in a food processor. On a pan or pot, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, then add our breadcrumbs and mix it all together. Turn off the heat. This bread will become our topping for our bake. In a 12-inch iron skillet or a baking dish, carefully transfer the mac and cheese. Note that this recipe makes about 16 servings, so you may need a couple of baking dishes. Once transferred, we'll sprinkle our breadcrumbs on top. Then allow to bake in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Once done, remove and cool down for about 5 minutes on a cooling rack. And boom, we have wonderful lobster mac and cheese. Look at that cheese pull. So good. This is one of my all-time favorite simple recipes that just tastes so good. It'll melt your heart with cheese, and the lobster with the breadcrumbs just make this dish pop. There's nothing really complicated about this recipe in terms of how to make it, but it's just so satisfying and tasty to make. It's a great option for a week's meal prep, family dinner, date night, or potluck. If this is making you hungry, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.